Сьогодні для ударів
Today, the Russian army used Iranian drones to strike the Dnipropetrovsk region and Odessa. 8 of them were knocked down. In response, the Ukrainian side has decided to deprive the Iranian ambassador of accreditation and also to significantly reduce the number of diplomatic employees of the Iranian embassy in Kiev. The world will respond appropriately to the pseudo-referenda. They will be unequivocally condemned, as well as to the criminal mobilization that the occupiers are now trying to carry out in Crimea and other parts of Ukraine, over which they hold a temporary control. These are not only crimes against international and Ukrainian law, these are crimes against specific people, against the nation.
Additional swift and severe economic costs on Russia, along with our allies and partners in response to these actions if they move forward with annexation. We stand with our partners around the world in rejecting whatever fabricated outcomes Russia announces.
What's happening now, this farce that's underway, being called a referendum. In social media, we're seeing videos recorded by residents of the occupied regions. These are votes carried out in the presence of loaded weapons. There are even Chechen soldiers are assisting some bureaucrats, going door to door to convince people to go out and vote. Well, it's obviously impossible to have free and fair elections at gunpoint.